What's up, guys? We're on the Downeaster right now. Probably towards, like, going to Old Orchard Beach, Maine. This is my dad. Say hi.
Hello.
See? We're on our way to Old Orchard Beach. We're in New Hampshire right now. Sorry I couldn't get any crossings. I'll try to if possible. Maybe I'll have a camera. Oh, look at the lake over there. Look at that. But it's blocked with trees from here, so I'm sorry. Focus. No. Sorry about the sun in the picture. Finally got through this all my rail running life. Yeah, baby. Got Downeaster Wi-Fi. Paid about like $75 for this ride. It wasn't a lot of money, but it's worth it. We're about to go to. Oh, going through a crossing. There you go. All your crossing is just out there. Doing my vids. I'll try to do it if I can. See? Yep. So the crossing right there by a white church. That was just too fast, so I apologize for all the blurry views out the window. But see? This is it right here. It's pretty neat. So, stay tuned for our journey video. Filming on my dad's iPhone. It's not gonna be great, but I'll try to do it as much as I can. Alright, stay tuned.